Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an ignition coil on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a torque wrench. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before beginning any work to prevent burns. For your safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid electrical hazards. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure replacement process. Now, let's locate the ignition coils, which are usually situated on top of the engine, often under a cover. You might need to remove some engine covers or air intake components to gain clear access. Once visible, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the specific ignition coil you intend to replace. Be gentle to avoid damaging the wiring or the connector itself. With the connector off, unscrew the bolt that secures the ignition coil to the engine. Once the bolt is removed, gently pull the old coil straight up and out from the spark plug. Avoid twisting or forcing it. Now, take your new ignition coil and carefully insert it into the spark plug well, making sure it seats properly and firmly. After the new coil is in place, reconnect its electrical connector and tighten the coil's retaining bolt to the manufacturer's specifications. Then, reassemble any engine covers or air intake components you removed earlier. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. This completes your ignition coil replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.